most people wanting to start a local newsletter business get stuck, not because it's difficult, because they feel overwhelmed with the setup and getting things started. So in this video, I want to lay out a simple step-by-step plan that will get your local newsletter up and running in 7 days. And just for full disclosure, I do have a course that will help you out. It is what we do to launch local newsletters, our templates, all the tools we use, and you can get hold of that at the end. And before you panic and think that's thousands, less than $100 is what it's going to cost you. You can do this all for free. I'm going to go through the whole process in this video. There's no need to buy that, but if you want to do things quickly, you want our templates, you want our guides, you want our training on how to do it, that's there for you, and I'll tell you about it at the end. So if we were going to start a local newsletter in 7 days, the goal for this is to have the first issue published, the first subscribers on your list, and have a system set up that allows you to build your local newsletter that's growing every week and takes you just 10 minutes a week to write. That's what we offer in our course, and that's what I'm going to show you as well, the overview of that system in this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you are building your local newsletter is to pick your local niche. This is normally your town, area, or community. And if you look at our YouTube channel, you'll see recently I've created a video about helping you figure out if your town is too small. If you go down into the comments, put town, I'll send you the link if you can't find it. Now, you can specify things even more. So you could break your niche down into a particular subgroup of people that live in your area. So if you're targeting somewhere very big, like New York City, you might want to go for a neighborhood, or you might go for a particular group of people, such as parents, such as business owners. But first of all, what we want to do is pick our niche. You want to be specific, narrow wins, because we want to call out exactly the people that we want on our list. Master of everyone serves no one. You're not going to make any money. Once we've done that, we need to define your audience and your promise. This is going to go in the landing page of your newsletter, and I'll get to how you can set that up for free in a bit. But we want to say on that landing page, who is this newsletter for? What value will it deliver? And we want to create a clear value promise that the content of our newsletter can deliver on. Now, in our course, that's exactly what we do. We give you little tools that you use just once, and they will do all of this for you. I'll help you write that tagline and really clear up who your audience is for. But if we take a particular place, let's say League City in the States, then it might be for locals that live there in League City, and the value we're going to deliver, well, the most valuable thing we can actually deliver is events and live music. A lot of people think with newsletters we've got to cover news, but that's simply not true. Actually, events and live music is what people actually go to a local newsletter for. So we can plan their weekend for them, and we give them that clear value promise. Every weekend we will send you 5 things that you can do over the weekend in the local community. That's what people are going to be subscribing for. Once you've done that, you can set up your newsletter. First thing we need to do is pick a platform. Could be Beehive, could be Substack, could be MailChimp. All of these have got local newsletters on them. We recommend Beehive. It's where you'll find most local newsletter creators are on that platform. You get 2,500 subscribers for free before you even need to pay for it. And also, if you go down in the description, use our link, they'll give you a discount on the first 3 months of paying as well. You're going to create your landing page. This comes as part of the free account. It's very simple to do. You're going to need a logo, and you're going to add a very simple sign up form. Again, all of this we go through in our local newsletter course. Once you've done that, you need to find content ideas. Now, we use a tool called Flux Local. Flux Local uses AI in order to search finding local events for you, local live music, and it will actually use AI in order to write your newsletter. You can then go ahead and put in local businesses yourself. These are businesses initially that you like, but eventually these become your sponsors and your advertisers, and this is one of the ways you can monetize. You can put community updates in there as well as using Google Facebook pages, local pages to find the content. Any good pages you find that have live music, that have events, you can put them into Flux Local, and that will scrape those, as well as using the AI to search. That is a tool that we built, and that is a tool that comes alongside the course. You can buy just the tool itself. You buy Flux Local on its own, but at the moment, if you buy Flux Local, you get everything in our course included as well. The templates, the checklists, the training, everything for that one price. And the software is not a pay monthly, it's a buy once lifetime deal offer. If you want to check it out now, the link is down in the description. Once we have Flux Local, or you've done it manually, we can actually then take that information and put it into your first issue. Now, like I said, Flux Local can do this for you in about 10 minutes. That's probably the first time you do it. It's going to take you 15 minutes to set Flux Local up. Then you're going to have to run it. So probably your first issue might take you closer to half an hour, 40 minutes, but you can get it down to 10 minutes when you know what you are doing. So create your first issue with a very simple structure. Don't get fancy. Honestly, if all your first 10 issues of your newsletter are a list of events that people can go to, and at the top some kind of local business that you champion, which eventually will become your ad slot, that is absolutely fine. We don't have to go crazy with this at all. So pick whatever your simple structure would be. An example here is top 3 events, a featured business, a community update, but keep it clean, keep it simple, keep it valuable, and you want to make sure that you're not spending all your week writing, because there are other things you can do that are going to lead you to the point where you're going to make money faster. Once you have done that, that's actually everything that we cover in our first training. Our training in our course is 4 live cohorts that we take you through. You can get all of the replays as well. You also get access to our community, which is full of other local newsletter operators. So you can join that course and the cohort, and you get support from your peers as well that are building local newsletter businesses in other parts of the world. Once you've done that, our second training will actually talk you through how to get your first subscribers. We talk all about growth there. We teach you how to share in Facebook groups, because if you don't do it the right way, you're going to get banned. We talk to you about local WhatsApp groups as well as telling friends, family, and other businesses about what you are doing. Once you've done that, then day 7 is your opportunity to send your first newsletter, decide your weekly schedule, and then you're going to improve, you're going to iterate, and you are going to grow. In order to help you with that growth, step 3 of our training focuses on growing through social media, and stage 4 of our training focuses on monetization. Remember, I said we're going to start off with a featured local business, but you can very quickly get your first $25 from a local business who you feature in your local newsletter, even if you've only got 100 or so subscribers. This is not a business model where you need to wait until you've got thousands. Once you hit a very, very small milestone, you can start talking to people and start getting that money coming in. So the aim of our course is to get you within a week that first newsletter written, scheduled to go out, and those first subscribers on your list. And the rest of our training then helps you with that growth and that monetization. Like I said, you get lifetime access to our tool, Flux Local does the writing, and lifetime access to our community where you can get support from us and other local newsletter operators as well. So if you do want the full system, the course, the templates, the prompts that we use in AI, if you want everything so you can get this done fast without any sort of doubt, then it's just the first link in the description. You need to buy one of our lifetime deals. There's 3 levels depending on how often you want to publish your newsletter. Get down there, click the link, check it out. If it's not for you, that's absolutely fine. Go find a different business model. But if you're interested, lifetime deal is there. We start the training on Monday. So if you want to be in this cohort, you want to buy soon. As soon as Monday comes, we're going to take away all of the bonuses that go with the software, because we're going to be running the cohort and we want to focus purely on the people that we are supporting, taking them through this process. So that will disappear for a while. So if you're thinking about this, you want to get the lifetime deal before Monday. I'll see you in the next video.